Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Ifactner's learning video tutorials, and in today's video tutorial we are going to learn what do we call different body parts in Urdu and Hindi. Let's start our lesson of body parts. Body is jism and parts are hisse, and we can translate body parts as jism ke hisse. Jism ke hisse. Arm is called bazu. 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 Beard is Daarhi. 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 Bone is haddi. 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 Brain is dimag. 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 And chin is thodi. 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 Ear is Kaan, 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 and eye is Aankh, Aankh, Aankh. Face is Chehra, 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 and finger is Ungli, Ungli, Ungli. Fist is Muthi, Muthi, Muthi. Foot is Paw, Paw, Paw. Hair is Baal, Baal, Baal. Hand is Haath, Haath, Haath. Heart is Dil, Dil, Dil. Kidney is Gurda, Gurda, Gurda. And knee is Ghutna, Ghutna, Ghutna. Lip is Hont, Hont, Hont. Liver, Jigar, Jigar, Jigar. Lung, Phepda, Phepda, Phepda. Mustache is Mooch, Mooch, Mooch. And muscle is Patta, Patta, Patta. Nail, Naakhun, Naakhun, Naakhun. Neck, Gardan, Gardan, Gardan. Nose, Naak, Naak, Naak. Rib, Pasli, Pasli, Pasli. And thumb is Angutha, Angutha, Angutha. Tooth is Daant, Daant, Daant. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me. If you like this video tutorial, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon. If you have questions or comments, then you can ask them in the questions or comments box. We will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.